Gentlemen, let's talk about something important. Do you wake up feeling tired, even after what should have been a full night's rest? Have you noticed your energy dipping lower than it used to be? Or maybe your erections aren't as firm or as frequent as they once were? If any of that sounds familiar, don't brush it off as just getting older, because it's not always age. Sometimes it's your body's way of saying something vital is missing. And here's the good news. Fixing it doesn't require expensive medications or complicated treatments. In fact, it might come down to just one essential nutrient, taken at the right time each night. Something natural, safe, and surprisingly effective. Before we dive in, please take a quick moment to support this channel. Hit that like button, let me know where you're watching from in the comments, and subscribe to Dr. Mitchell for more men's health insights every week. Alright, let's get real about what's happening inside your body when you sleep. Many men over 60 tell me, Dr. Mitchell, I guess this is just what happens with age, and I always stop them right there. Because it's not simply about aging. When your energy drops, when your sleep feels shallow, and your erections weaken, that's not nature taking its course. That's your nighttime recovery system breaking down. See, nighttime is when your body performs maintenance. That's when testosterone production peaks, blood vessels repair, your prostate calms, and your cells recharge for the next day. When that system falters, your energy, mood, and performance are the first to suffer. The great news? You can restore it. And for most men, it starts with replacing one missing mineral, a deficiency almost every man over 60 has. For those who are new here, I'm Dr. Mitchell, a board-certified urologist and men's health specialist with over a decade of experience. I've worked with thousands of men in their 60s, 72s, even 80s, men who thought their best days were behind them. And time and again, I've seen how rebuilding the body's recovery system, especially at night, can reignite energy, confidence, and intimacy in powerful ways. So today, I'll show you the key nutrient that supports sleep, testosterone, and erections all at once, the 3 most common mistakes men make when taking it, and exactly how to use it correctly for the best results. Mistake number 1. Ignoring magnesium deficiency. Let's start with the biggest one, magnesium. It's the most common mineral deficiency among older men, and it plays a major role in how well you sleep, how calm you feel, and even how your body performs. Think of magnesium as your body's off switch. Without enough, your nervous system stays stuck in high gear. You might fall asleep, but you won't reach the deep, restorative stages your body needs. That's why so many men wake up groggy, irritable, or unmotivated. And when you're that exhausted, intimacy often feels like work instead of connection. Over time, low magnesium can lead to restless nights, weaker erections, frequent bathroom trips, and that I never feel rested kind of fatigue. So, if your sleep or drive isn't what it used to be, don't just blame age. It might be your body quietly running on empty. Mistake number 2. Choosing the wrong form. Here's where a lot of men go wrong. They grab the cheapest bottle of magnesium oxide at the pharmacy and think they're set. Bad idea. That form doesn't absorb well. Most of it passes right through your system and often causes stomach discomfort. If you actually want results, you need bioavailable forms that your body can use. 2 of the best are: 1. Magnesium glycinate. It directly supports your relaxation system. It helps calm your muscles, lower tension, and deepen your sleep. It even helps your blood vessels open up, improving circulation and morning erections. 2. Magnesium threonate. Magnesium 3-0-8. This one crosses into the brain. It quiets racing thoughts, reduces nighttime anxiety, and improves memory and focus. If your goal is better sleep, stronger erections, and more energy, these are the 2 forms that matter. Mistake number 3. Taking it at the wrong time. Timing is everything. Magnesium works best when it tells your body it's time to relax. So if you take it in the morning, you might feel sluggish during the day and miss its real benefits. The best time to take magnesium is 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Take it with warm water or herbal tea like chamomile. Turn down the lights, put away your phone, and let your body ease into rest mode. Do that consistently, and your body will begin to reset itself naturally. Mistake number 4. Expecting overnight results. This one's key. Magnesium isn't a stimulant or a quick fix. It works gradually night after night, helping your body repair itself from the inside out. Here's what most men notice. Within the first few nights, you fall asleep faster and feel calmer. After about a week, fewer bathroom trips and more energy in the morning. By week 2, stronger erections, deeper sleep, better focus, and a more balanced mood. But remember, the secret is consistency. Miss nights, and you'll lose the progress you've built. How to use magnesium correctly: pick the right type, magnesium glycinate or threonate. Start low, around 200 milligrams of glycinate or 1 gram of threonate. Adjust as needed. Create a bedtime routine. Dim lights, no screens, magnesium with warm water, and lights out within an hour. Stack it smart. Combine it with zinc and vitamin B6, often called Zima, for even better support for testosterone, recovery, and libido. Bonus tip: try light stretching before bed. When your muscles relax, magnesium works even better. Now, maybe you're thinking, Dr. Mitchell, I'm too far gone. It's too late for me. I want you to hear this clearly: it's never too late. I've seen men in their late 70s rediscover strength, confidence, and closeness they thought were gone forever. When your body finally gets the rest and nutrients it needs, amazing things happen. This isn't about trying to be 25 again. It's about restoring your vitality, your independence, and your joy in life. Gentlemen, fatigue, poor sleep, and fading performance are not signs of aging. They're signs of deficiency, and deficiencies can be fixed. Your body still has what it takes to be strong, energetic, and passionate. It just needs your help. So tonight, take that simple step. Support your recovery. Support your masculinity. Support your sleep. Because when your nights improve, your days transform, your relationships deepen, and you start living with energy and confidence again. If you found this video helpful, please like it so more men can see it. Drop a comment below to tell me where you're watching from. And don't forget to subscribe to Dr. Mitchell for more expert guidance on men's health after 60. You deserve strength. You deserve energy. You deserve restful sleep and connection that feels alive again. I'm Dr. Mitchell, and remember, take care of your health, because you are absolutely worth it.